Welcome back, my kings and queens from the Drew's Kingdom. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so I know you guys are at home, where you should be at home during this self-quarantine. So, hey, the devil can't stop a king or a queen. Nobody can stop a king or a queen. So that's why I'm going to bring you guys some fun content so you guys don't have to be bored with these unstylish, unfashionable YouTubers that have never had a career in fashion trying to influence y'all. So as y'all see, we got a little bit of old vintage Celine sunglass, honey, with a little bit of Balmain cascading down the side, honey. Okay, yes, a little bit of luxuriousness, honey. So in this video, I have to talk about Louis Vuitton is making me fall in love all over again. And, you know, I think I came back to Louis Vuitton at the right time because I had not shopped at Louis Vuitton for over 10 years. Last thing I ever bought was something from the 2010, 2011 spring something collection. So I have to say, coming back to Louis Vuitton when Virgil and all these other new people have taken over, honey, you got me. I am in love. So the item I'm talking about is the Louis Vuitton Soft trunk. I would highly recommend getting this item. This particular model is sold out worldwide. I don't know if they're ever gonna bring it back, but I would definitely recommend even getting the black one with the little felt going across with a black chain. I would even recommend the all black one, the graphite, or I would recommend the monogram with little orange chain zipper. So what I am obsessed about this bag is that it's just simply stylish. Like seeing this big construction industrial chain going across the top, cascading across the side, wrapping around the side, doing a little do-si-do, honey, grabbing you tight. Girl, just this across anything just looks super rich, looks super luxe, looks super avant-garde, looks super, just that bitch, girl, just that bitch. It just look good. So you guys, another reason why I'm in love with Louis Vuitton is that their bags are so functional. So you know the Palm Springs backpack, you know how you could take the strap off and make it crossbody, or you can make the strap really long, you can make the strap really short. I don't know if you guys know this, but with this item right here, you can make it crossbody, you can shorten it, you can take the hook off and shorten it, honey, and have her just draping down the side, honey, like this. A little dangling, honey, you know, a little cha-cha-cha, you know, little number, honey. Just looks very avant-garde, looks very abstract, you know, looks very Andy Warhol, pop art, baby, in a bag. And you know, if you like me, the first thing you gonna do once we get through this quarantine, honey, is drop it down low to a hot girl summer American Stallion beat. Girl, at the club, you might want a fanny pack. Honey, who want to be twerking with something on the side? It's gonna fall off your shoulder and all that kind of stuff. Who want the stress to be able to thrust that chest when you grab your knee, drop it down low, make a motherfucker say please, okay? You know, you would want a fanny pack. And for those of y'all that can't twerk, you're gonna need a little chain action to give the illusion of your abilities of the twerking. Okay, because y'all know damn well y'all can't can't twerk. Louis got your back. They knew if you couldn't twerk, we're gonna give you something that's gonna be able to make you feel like you can twerk. Now, what I also love about the Louis Vuitton, if you're like me, you gotta go to school or you gotta go to your office, you know you need to carry your laptop and a big bag to carry it all. And y'all know, if y'all go to my associate, honey, who gave me this limited edition charm for free when I purchased this beautiful Birkin 35 gold hardware in New York, honey, you know, you're gonna need to carry this and put your little items in. Those of you who know, who have ordered from my associate, I don't need to tell you. Those of you that are new to my channel, please go watch this video of my amazing Hermes unboxing when I unboxed about 6 Hermes bags, Birkins, Kellys, all that, the wallets, the Rodeos, all that. Click this link right here. You get the receipts, and in the back it does say like all the little return policy stuff. Shows, yeah. So basically, you guys get everything. This piece is the one we're gonna start off with. Everything here is exactly how your stuff comes. All this packaging with the shopping bag, with the receipts is what you get. And watch my video and see all what I got without the shenanigans, without the kissing ass, begging and pleading, all that bull crap, and the cheapest price, where you can get everything you want, how you want. Ain't no, oh, I'm only offered this, I gotta take this from keep out the list. None of that bull crap. Okay, you get what you want when you want. So if you guys are curious and want to know the information about my sales associate, click the link above and watch that amazing video. So back to it. So you're gonna need your big old bag for work. You know, you're gonna need your big old tank. But then, you know, when you want to go to the restroom or when you want to go to the vending machine, you want to go to a coffee shop, you want to be able to put a little bag in the Birkin, honey, and you still got plenty of space for all your other condiments and things like that. So you can leave this in your office, you can leave this in the classroom or whatever in a safe place, and then all you gotta do is grab the Louis and go on about your business. And then put her back and then carry, you know, the rest of your life in your purse. Same thing if you travel with your buddies and you're at the airport. Of course, you don't want to be lugging around your luggage and lugging around your big old Birkin while you're having a layover. So what you do, you get your Louis luggage, you put your Birkin on top, and you say, hey friend, hey sis, I gotta go to the restroom real quick, or hey sis, I gotta go to a little magazine section, or hey sis, I need to go check out a little Gucci airport store, whatever it is. You put your Birkin on top, you grab your little Louis, and you going about your day, and you slay, honey, slay, 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 slay. Cause I slay all day, we slay, you know, so yeah. You have a cute little luxurious traveling vacation. So Louis Vuitton really thought about you guys. I'm absolutely obsessed. I cannot wait to take her on travel, but let's show you what fits inside the bag. Again, like my Fendi Peekaboo review video, linked up here, please, y'all go watch. Honey, the thing is, like, these YouTubers don't show you nothing about a luxurious life. They show you buying, you know, expensive things, but they sure don't look luxurious when they put it together. Drip. The gold and black drip, baby. Let's show you what fits inside the bag. Okay, so first of all, you're going to need, the key to a good introduction is good breath. So I always have my mints. I have my little clicker for my camera, and I'm gonna show you how I put my tripod in here. My power bank, good for 2 devices to a full charge. My cell phone. This is not my cell phone. I have a iPhone XS Max. This is the iPhone 10, but the XS Max fits in here with ease. A wallet. Now, honestly, I never carry my wallet in here just because I'm very superstitious. I'm very superstitious and I'm very cautious. So I'm not gonna make it easier for no thief. You know, and if I have a small bag, I want to maximize space. So what I will do, I will put all my cards and cash in the inside pocket in the back. So that way it's not really visible because all the contents is in here, and a thief, you know, don't have time to really be like, let me see what you got to be. No, they're just gonna stick their hand and grab and go. So I will always put my money and my cards in the back pocket. But for the sake of anything, it fits my Louis Vuitton wallet in here. It fits my hand sanitizer in here. It fits my taser in here. It fits my lip balm in here. And also for the look, girl, you know we always need the selfie light. So with that all being inside, let's zip her up. And look at her, honey. And look at her. She's in shape, honey. She's slim and she's in shape, honey. Is she out of shape? No. Does she need a tummy tuck? No, because she does her keto, honey. She does her low carb. She does her vegan, bitch. Okay? So, yes, honey, she's in shape with all these contents inside of her. But also what I love about this bag is that if it falls upside down, as you see, for the most part, nothing is going to come out. Because these little wings, these little teeth, these little whatever you call this, basically it's so compact that it keeps things together. So even if your bag is open, if it falls, the contents of your bag most likely will not come out. So I'm absolutely obsessed with this bag for the security, for the functionality, for the look, for the prestige, for it all. So you guys, I would highly recommend getting the Louis Vuitton Soft trunk. It's just amazing, and you guys, I still haven't put anything in here. So yes, you guys, please go binge watch all my videos because we know you're at home, you don't got nothing else to do, and we know a lot of these other YouTubers don't got nothing worth seeing. So you might as well go ahead and watch the content for the kings and queens, okay? So yes, next video I will be talking about is the wear and tear of about 9 months of wear of my Hermes Birkin 35 centimeter from my sales associate. You guys know this is my everyday school day bag. This is my grocery bag, because in California we don't have plastic bags anymore. Saving the environment, saving the dolphins, okay? Saving the turtles, okay, California. Wear and tear of this bag, because you guys are ordering, you guys are curious. With the coronavirus, there is a backup, you know, of him trying to find your dream bags, whatever it is. There is a delay. There has been a delay with everybody that's been buying internationally. So I'm gonna do a wear and tear of this bag. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Only if you're a king or a queen, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Mwah.